Hey guys, so welcome to Bring Sketch Alive, and today we are going to draw a sound speaker using the software Sketchbook Pro. So feel free to download it and make a try. And of course, if you want to, you can just draw on paper as usual. There's no issue about it. So when we are going to start, make sure that your canvas size is big enough. So image canvas size, for the width, I choose 3000. And for the height, I choose 1005. Okay. So the main advantage of doing so is that you're going to be able to zoom in with still having a good resolution, good quality of your lights, even if you zoom in a lot. Okay. So here I'm doing some tests of the pen right here to see the pressure. So the tool that I'm using is the simple pencil, which is a favorite one. So what I do is that I zoom in multiple times and I handwrite something. So as you can see here, if I zoom out, how are you seems to be very small. And now I'm writing how are you with the zoom out. And see the difference is that if I want to zoom in, the quality is still good enough, which is super important when you want to do for your portfolio some details of which are going to be zoomed in. Okay? Because this thing is going to be irreversible whenever if your resolution is too low. All right. So make sure that your canvas is big enough so you can zoom in whenever you want. Okay, so I draw now with about 70% out, and so I can get free to carry on drawing. So what I'm going to start is with some ugly doodles, just some quick brainstorming about what I want to draw later for the sound speaker. So maybe like this illustrated triangle, and we on the side some small texture like this to just show that the sound can coming out from the side. All right, and on the front will be the touch panel of the different commands. So feel free also to draw this volume in different angles, so you can really have the 360 vision of it in your mind. So don't skip a step is really important, even if like you visualize it pretty well in your mind, even if you're advanced. I still recommend you to draw them and to put them on paper. So start as well some quick test of proportion and composition as well. Okay. So draw whatever like you have in mind, very small, very fast, and then you can spend more time to develop them. So here I can test some viewpoint, and that one seems to be pretty cool. Is a bit below the horizon line. Okay, so I have a 2-point perspective setup. And let's draw it in very small on the top here to have this preview step by step. So basically I have the 2D triangle, but I'm going to put it in 3D here in volume. Okay, I got the main line. I join it to the left vanishing point. I choose how deep is it to make sure that this looks like a square if I imagine to see it in front of the front view. I add the diagonal, so I have the middle of the top edge that I connect it to the two below, so I got a triangle. All right, and then I can build the box right here by connecting all these corners to the vanishing point, to the right vanishing point. Okay, so this is how I start to make it from 2D to 3D, and now it's time to choose the length of the speaker. All right, so let's say I want it to be here. Here we go. Then I can connect it to the left side. Magic, right? So now it's pretty simple. So it's really important to just follow everything step by step. And once again, it's all about simple geometry. So now I'm projecting the top of the pyramid to the behind surface. Okay. I got just join it to the right finishing point. Now I put it the volume a bit more, so everything looks a bit clearer. All right. So now what I want to do is to draw the center line, because as a product designer, it's always convenient to see the center line to draw the volume super fast. So I'm drawing the diagonal on the slanted surface, but also the one on the box. And now I can see these two dots here that I have just joined is a center line. Okay, so it's all about projections. So feel free to pause the video, to go back a bit and review everything step by step. It's fine. So what you need to keep in mind is the foreshortening. is like whenever like you draw the center line, what is behind is shorter and what is front is longer. This is like this kind of feel that you need to have with it to experience, so you can skip a lot of these steps in future if you can build that sense of proportions in perspective. Okay, so what if we want to draw, let's say, a border here on the left, but now the question mark will be how we want to make it symmetrical to project this border that you can see on the left and to duplicate it on the right with a very nice symmetry. And to do so, we are going to use this simple rule of geometry to make it symmetrical. Okay, so basically, let's see here, I draw the first diagonal on the left, another diagonal on the right, then I can prolongate. Okay, so as long as you do these three lines, the order doesn't matter so much. It's all about connecting these three lines. And then on the right, you can have this magic dot. Here we go. And you can trace a vertical to have the duplication of your line on the right. Okay. So let's duplicate that thing and let's look at it again step by step for you to have the time to take note of all this. So step 1, that's the base. And step 2, I'm drawing the diagonal here. Okay. So step 3, I can just prolongate like the extra dot with a horizontal line. Hopla, here we go. That's it. I prolongate it on the right, horizontal line, and then I can connect it. I can intersect it by adding the other diagonal on the other side, and I got this magic dot appearing. Once again, the order doesn't matter very much. It's all about making them joining each other. Dun, dun, dun. And that's it. You got this extra line by making a vertical line. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. That's it. We got this magic dot. And this is what we are going to apply now on this volume. Here we go. So we are going to draw it first on the surface of the box. Here we go. Making some projection. And now I got the equivalent of this border on the front of the box. So always think as projections and connect them to the vanishing point. That's it. So now in green, I'm going to redo the same thing. That's it. Let's diagonal. Projection, instead of having horizontal, we are going to join it to the vanishing point on the right. That's it. Now the other diagonal on the right, we got the magic point and we draw a vertical. That's it. Simple, right? We have done the exact same thing. Instead of having horizontal, it's joining to the vanishing point. That's it. And now these two edges, we just need to project it to the left to show it on the surface of this slanted triangle volume. Pyramid, I would say. That's it. Here we go. We got our line. Dun, dun. So this is now a lot of steps to follow, but are not that difficult. But whenever like you start at the beginner, it's very important to go through all of them. And once again, when you get more experimented, having better sense of proportion, you can just draw directly and skip all these steps. But for now, it's really important to go through them to understand how does it works. Because whenever like it will look awkward, you will just need to go back to these steps and carry on. So now what I have just done is to draw some angles right here. So make sure that the two angles at the bottom follow have the same height following the vanishing point, the left vanishing points. I'm projecting it to the right. Okay. So I got these two extra dots that I connect. Here we go. So you can shoot the angles, the radius of your angle. It's up to you. but just make sure that whenever like you project it to a surface to another, it follows the same height. And having a good feeling of this perspective. Here we go. Okay. That's it. Mhm. So can you see these little dots? This is all these dots that I got connected each other. Mhm. Now I draw the radius, going back. Here we go. Now I can draw up the angle. I could draw the full ellipses also behind, but I'm just simplifying it. Okay, so now it's time to draw the outside line, just by joining what is outside. That's it. And now you just need to bold it, and you will get your volume. So take your time, don't panic. Feel free like to pause this video once again. It's really something relaxed, just taking your time. Okay, and can you see the gap between the top of the pyramid and this rounded surface? So for the center line, I don't forget to make it rounded as well. So uh, one angle is enough at the center line to show the wall volume on the wall surface. That's it. And now here, I'm adding also for the two edges. Hop là. Pam, 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 pam. I'm projecting here, so I know when does it stop. Okay. Da, da, da. So do these projections, so you will get extra dots to connect each other. Here we go. Mm. So as you can see, everything is pretty magic. It's just using symmetry. Okay, now let's continue and let's say that we want to have a border, some thickness. Okay, so here I'm cheating a bit. I show that this thickness on the front is thicker than the one on the back. Once again, that's the effect of the foreshortening. Shorter, longer. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. So now let's carry on here. I want to draw a groove. So it's a very tiny duplication of this line. So we have a feel of a groove. And whenever I'm going to add a contour line like that and adding a very small groove here, can you see the small radius inside? This is super tiny, but this is what is going to make a lot of difference. Okay, I exaggerate a bit here to show you, but just draw very, very tiny one. And it's going to give really some realism to your product. I add some hatching below. Can you see like how like with simple details like this volume is getting to another dimension? Here, let's say I want to add like I would say the hole inside. Okay, here we go. I can just play with the projections once again. Here, add a center line here on the side. I add some shadow to make it more obvious. To make sure that all my hatching are good quality. So the kind of things that you really need to take the time to draw at start. But once again, with experience, you won't have to think so much. Everything will look so natural for you. I had some shadow in the groove, so it's making the volume even more popping out. here is a quick idea of Bang& Olufsen logo. Mhm. I darken a bit below. Here is like a quick idea of a reflection. How about the texture here on the side? I'm making some different try. Some screw also I can add. So just testing. But the advantage with Sketchbook Pro is that you can make some different tests, go back by pressing Command Z multiple times, and then you can continue to have some different tests. That's it here. So what if like I put a plug inside, like in the middle of this as a sound speaker surface? Here's a command. How about a big command, like a super big icon, like the screen? Here we go. So we get like a proposal of design which is very graphical. It's very simple and graphical as well. So when we are beginner, we tend to add too many details to our product, but actually you should not try to keep as minimalistic as possible. That would be a good recommendation at start. Because as you can see, like the small groove, small screw, the plugs, the logo, already like some small details that make a lot of difference to give that realism feel to your product. Because when we are beginner, we add too many details just for the sake of trying to make it nice, but actually it's just making something which is going to be overwhelmed. So here is just some quick shading and also background on the back. So I will invite you also to play on the right. As you can see, the layer for the window or the layers. Okay, I'm adding a grid with some different holes inside. Mhm. That's it. So maybe some pink light for the sound and some blue for the plugs. So now I'm looking for Bang& Olufsen logo that I could get on Google Image. I save it and now I'm going to import it by pressing adding image. Here we go. File, add image. That's it. I've been a bit too quick earlier, so let's carry on. Right here. Here we go. And then I can just erase on the respective layers what I do not need. That's it. And we have the feel that the logo is behind the behind the sound speaker. Okay. That's it. So basically, you've got a nice volume of the sound speaker and pretty cool presentation for your product as well. Mhm. So some finishing here and there. Okay. So have fun with these tutorials and see you for the next videos. Bye bye.